Yo, it's just Mary back at it again with another video. So, yeah, man, I just got the video 5 to 6 things that I like about my Kia Optima. Like 5 to 6 things that I do not like about this Kia Optima. But let's get right into it. But before you do, like, comment, subscribe, man. Follow me on Instagram, man. It's just Mary. Follow the social down below. Use my cool lighting trends and everything. But let's get right into the video. My fault, the wind fucking y'all up, because it's fucking me up kind of too. So let's get right into this. So, man, look how cute. That's cute. It's cute. It's a cute little car. First thing I do not like about this car is the headlights. Like, I changed those, but I don't like this fucking halogen color, bro. I hate that. Like, I hate the halogen color. On everything, I hate the halogen color. Like, look at that. I hate that, bro. Hate that halogen color on everything. Second thing I done, like, I wish these ones came with like 20s instead of 18s. It probably look way better. 20 years instead of 18s. Yeah, it would make the car look way better. Damn the wind, bro. They got too much chrome on it for me. I ain't know Kia came with this much chrome. Okay, they got too much chrome on it. This is chrome. These is chrome. This was chrome. Like you see, I gotta finish blacking it out. Man, this chrome. This was chrome. This is chrome. This chrome. This chrome. Same thing on the other side. It just came too much chrome for me. So what I said, the lights, the rims, the chrome. The fourth thing is, I wish the junk came with like heated seats, heated steering wheel and everything. That's what it don't have. That's what I don't like that it doesn't have. It don't have heated seats or anything. But yeah, every other thing, all the other shit. So it doesn't have heated seats or anything. It just got the little regular seats. So just got the regular seats. Don't mind the chrome. Just getting clean today. Don't mind it. We're getting clean. Yeah. So all this is clothes, bro. Hoodies and stuff that I bought. So I mean. Fifth and final thing I do not like about this car is that it still has a manual gas cap opener. I cannot just tap this joint or just open it. I gotta go inside, press the motherfucking button. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but yo, focus, bro. But the button right there. And open that John. It doesn't have a regular John, bro. That's one thing I really don't like. I really like this car. That's why I really couldn't find anything I really didn't like. Just little nitpick things. I got a surprise for y'all. Look what I got back. Look what I got back. Super.